Hey guys, it's Chloe, and the theme this week is cooking. Cooking! And I'm baking a cake. First, we're just gonna unbox everything and pour all the mixtures in. We are making a cake. And for this today, you'll want this cake box mix and 2 of these Jell-O boxes. Then from the cake box mix, you just pour all the mixture in. Crack 1 egg. Why am I missing it? And 2 eggs.
You're doing 4.
3rd egg and 1 more. So a total of 4 eggs. A cup of sour cream. Three-fourths cups vegetable oil. And mix. And mix it till it's well mixed, and then you'll find out what we do. Blend it with the mixer. Spray the pan with non-stick. Start pouring it in. Preheat the oven to 325. Spread the batter in the pan evenly. This part is optional. We're going to put some blueberries on the half of the cake. You don't have to, and you can always use different fruit if you want, but we're just doing blueberries on half of it. And then you'll just want to mix them in. Put the bake temperature to 325.
On for 15 minutes.
Put it in the oven and put the timer on for 15 minutes. 50 minutes. 50 minutes. 50 minutes. 25 more minutes. Can't wait.
You're on.
Take it out, and it should look like this. Okay, so let it cool on a cooling rack, or you could always just let it cool on your oven top or something. But we're just putting it on a cooling rack, and then later you can put it on a plate. Okay, so then you flip it over, and it looks like that right now. And you can put icing if you want, but I've decided not to put any and just eat it because ours is a lemon cake with blueberries on half of the side. And this is a little yummy treat for your pet if you have a dog. It is his Greek yogurt that is plain with pumpkin, just the pumpkin inside that is canned, and then you put it, you mix it and put it in a container and freeze it and get it out for them when you want it.
You're not giving it to her in that.
And I decided to get a blueberry piece, and I'm going to try it. Subscribe. And got a blank space, baby. And I'll write your name.